A project manager needs to know about issues as quickly as possible and needs to track their status, because the more you know about an issue, the more options you have to handle it. That's why you should have an issues list for each project. I generally use a spreadsheet, and I include 8 things on my issues list. First, every issue is assigned a number. That makes it easier to communicate and to sort. Then I record the date it was identified and a description of the issue. I also like to track the status of the issues and the person who's accountable for handling it. Then, what's the next step? And when should we follow up to make sure it's complete? Finally, I leave space for additional notes because every issue is different. A simple issues list like this one can make it a lot easier for your team to communicate priorities and give people confidence that their concerns are being addressed. It gives a solid understanding of the past, present, and future for every issue. And it can help you make sure that issues are being handled correctly so nothing slips through the cracks.